Just showing you guys how I sharpen the teeth, these planer teeth on the Loftness Battle Ax, and I use a 24 grit resin disc that I bought off Amazon. Manufacturer recommended a flapper wheel, but I found that this is much faster and I can control the heat better across the tooth. So I'll give you a short video of how I do it. I take and hold one tooth with my knee, and then I get the angle by looking at each side of the tooth and adjust it, and I can adjust with my knee to get the right angle. And this is the tooth that I just sharpened. As you can see, she's sharp.